So anyways, we are diving into our quarter two club box to make the mini big T or capital T quilt block. So this is a fun little block. It's just constructed with some half square triangles, a little mini flying geese, some rectangles, and you get this what looks like a big T and then like a shadowed of a big T in the background, which gives it its name big T or capital T quilt block. On this one, you can see I use the purple in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and cut these and press them, and we'll have our two half square triangles. Okay, so I have those under the clapper, but we know this is going to be in the middle, and then we're going to have our just solid white rectangles for that we cut, which are going to go just like this. So that's going to be the start of it. I think it's going to look good with that floral in the middle. And then was this just going to go, wait, like this? No, like this. All right, let's go see how it turned out. That is our little mini block. So this is the one I did, the purple in the middle. This is the one with just the two colors. I think it looks good. There we go. Let's take a look. I don't know if you guys can see that very well in the here, but you can see there they go. So they'll show up a little bit better once we get the, when we get rid of the lines and stuff, but that is how easy it is. And there you go. I've got the binding on, and that's just what it looks like with the two different fabric squares in the middle. But I think they're both pretty cute. Anyways, that is the mini block again, all done.